Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we take you to Bluffers Park and Beach, one of Toronto's most underrated attractions. The park features a sandy beach, picnic areas, walks, lookouts, a boat launch, and visitors' dockage. This park is part of Scarborough Bluffs. Watch my Scarborough Bluffs video using the link in the description. We have arrived at one of 3 parking lots in the area, 2 at the Bluffers Park and 1 at the Bluffers Beach. It is paid parking. There are plenty of things you can do here. Take pictures of the natural beauty, hike the Scarborough Bluffs Trail, see wildlife, swim in the Bluffers Beach, learn to sail, enjoy the Bluffers Park Marina. If you didn't pack a lunch, there is a full-service restaurant and bar at Bluffers Park Marina. Learn to paddleboard. Paddleboarding is popular during summer. It is also a great way to get some exercise as well as have fun. This beautiful long and wide beach is located right under the foothills of Cathedral Bluffs, which is a few minutes east of Scarborough Bluffs. Swimming is allowed in the beach. There is change room, washroom, drinking fountain, and outdoor shower. The beach is also adjacent to picnic site. The Cathedral Bluffs in the backdrop enhances the beauty of the beach and gives it a private feel. Both the beach and the picnic area are usually very crowded, especially during the weekends. Right now, everyone's maintaining social distance. That's why you see lesser people at the beach. You will find the park is beautifully maintained, and there are plenty of park benches, which makes it convenient for families to get together around and enjoy a picnic or a barbecue. There you have it, a must visit. The beach is really beautiful and a great place to spend a day with family and friends. You can hike, picnic, or just sit in front of the clean blue water of Lake Ontario. Watch a beautiful sunrise or sunset, or even put out a tent and watch the starry sky at night. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. We will take you to another exciting journey soon. Until then, goodbye.